What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you guys are having a freaking fabulous day. We are back in the golf cart shop working on the 2006 club car. If you guys are interested in golf cart material, golf cart content, we're going to do some golf cart stuff on this channel. Some of you guys might not want to see that, and that's fine. If you don't want to see that, go ahead and watch another video about whatever. But if you guys do want to see some golf cart material, we're going to be making a few videos about this golf cart behind me here, this 06 club car. Big giant thanks to Nokins, because I'm going to show, there's a lot of golf carts here, as you guys can see. I'm going to show you what we got here, guys. We have a Nokins RGB Deluxe LED light kit. These are the instructions. Very, very nice instructions. Color instructions. Freaking, which is awesome. Like, just awesome. You don't see a lot of instructions like this. They're very nice, very detailed instructions. Very, very detailed instructions. But basically what this is, and we're going to turn around and show you what's going on here, is we have a complete RGB headlight assembly setup, tail lights, crazy stuff. Like, this is just crazy, guys. It comes with a freaking turn signal stock. A turn signal stock. Can you believe that shit? And here's the harness. Like, this is almost like we're building a car here or something. Like, that's a harness. It's all very nicely labeled, which, to be honest with you, that's amazing. It's amazing to see quality like this, guys. We have RGB tail lights right there. Double-sided tape. They give you some zip ties in the packet, which is very, very nice. What's this? They give you a hole saw. They give you a freaking hole saw. That's for the tail lights in the back here, guys. Right back there. And this here, I'm not sure what this is. I think it's for the, oh, it's for the Lotus LEDs. And I think this is my 12 to 24 conversion, and then my dash harness right here. It's amazing how nice this is. Like, it blows my mind that this company is so detailed in their product, and that makes me happy to use their product, which is amazing. So if you guys are probably wondering, Andy, where's this headlight go? Well, I'm gonna show you. It actually replaces this guy here. We're gonna unbolt this guy here, and it replaces that guy, and it sits down there. But I know what you guys are saying, and like, oh great, another long, lengthy video about installing headlights. We know how to do that. That's easy. Show us the good stuff. Okay, no problem. Then that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show you the good stuff. So I'm not gonna show you the installation of this, because there's really no need. If you buy this kit, you're gonna be able to put this kit in no problem. And obviously you see everything's very easily labeled and done. So I decided for this video, what I'm gonna do is we're just gonna go right to the nitty gritty, and I'm just gonna install this off camera. And then when I come back on camera, we're gonna show you all the cool bells and whistles, the RGB lights, the headlights, the high beams, the low beams, the tail lights, the sequentials, all that stuff. Turn signals, brake lights, reverse lights. It's badass shit. So we're gonna get to installing, and then we'll be right back to show you what the finished product looks like, guys. Stay tuned. Guys, we are outside. It's such a beautiful day out today. It's been a few days since I had to finish this video on the headlight install, but everything's installed, and I want to give you a quick little overview of how everything looks, what the tail lights look like on the cart, what the headlight looks like on the cart, and underneath the seat as well. I will say, even though I didn't show the process of actually installing this headlight kit, I will say probably one of the easiest best manufactured, easiest installation I've ever done electrical ever in my life. To be honest with you, this company, I have to applaud them. I have to honestly applaud them for how neat and organized their wiring is, and how easy it is with their plug and play and exact color descriptions on where to plug in for switch 12 volt, constant 12, all that stuff, and how things are routed through the golf cart on any particular golf cart that you get, whether it be a club car or Yamaha. I got to give them props. They did a hell of a job on designing this kit to be very user friendly and almost anybody can install. So let's turn the camera around and show you everything, and then go from there, guys. Now, mind you, it's been a few days, so it is a little dirty from riding around and testing the product out, which I have thoroughly tested out the front and the back and all that stuff. So there's the front headlight. It's very neatly bolted in there. I got my horn up inside there, which I'm actually going to turn around because it's facing up. It should be facing down so water doesn't get in it. I'll do that later on. I kind of was in a rush to put it together, and I forgot that you can't really have horns facing up because if water gets in them, they go bad. So I got to turn that upside down. It actually says in the manual to turn it facing down, and I didn't even listen, so that's my fault. So there's the front headlight of the Club Car RGB setup. And then if we come around the back, we have the tinted tail lights, guys. Tinted freaking tail lights back here. I gotta fix that. That's broken. I need a whole one of these pieces here or do something with this. But these are full switchback RGB tail lights with reverse lamp and brake lights and everything. Really, really nice setup. And then if we come up here, we have the stalk, and the stalk is very nicely done. Now there is a cover that goes over this harness. I don't have it on there because it just doesn't fit my application. I'm just going to leave it like this and just tie wrap it, but it's a nice cover. You cut it to size and it'll hide this loom if you so want it to be hidden. You can have that hidden. I'm not going to do that. But obviously we have, you know, headlights, we have a horn. The cart's not on, so we have fog light option, which I'm going to look into that because I wouldn't mind having fog lights on this cart. That would be pretty cool. Turn signals, up and down, high beam, which is cool. If you look down here, we have a hazard light, and this is our RGB headlight tail light setup. But unfortunately, I can't show you any of this because obviously it's daylight out. Don't pay attention to the Nokins RGB light up seat covers. We'll be talking about them in a later video. So here's my Vatrer Lithium battery. And then here is all the RGB stuff. It comes with a very, very nice 36 to 72 volt to converted to 12 volt setup. As you guys can see, this is all like really nice plugs, guys. Look at this. Like, I can't believe how everything's nicely labeled so you know where everything goes. My fuse fell down. It was sticking here, but my fuse fell, or my relay, I'm sorry. My relay fell down. I got to reattach that here. I'll do that later. All the wires are neatly ran. They tell you how to run all these different wires and stuff, which is really, really cool. I mean, it's really, don't mind the mess down here, guys. I got to clean this up a little bit more. Don't mind the mess, but it's very nicely done. Like everything on this installation is nicely done and well organized and very well, like labeled and everything. I'm really, really, really impressed with this setup. 100% impressed with this setup. Definitely worth the money if you're looking to upgrade your headlight assembly on your golf cart. This is the Nokins headlight assembly is amazing. They have a few different styles. I think this is like the deluxe big one on Amazon that I got. It's the RGB one. It has all the RGB stuff in it. So you guys probably all want to see this thing lit up and see what it looks like at nighttime. Well, unfortunately, it's not nighttime, so we're gonna have to wait a little bit for it to be nighttime. But well, I have to wait a little bit for it to be nighttime. You guys don't have to wait a little bit for it to be nighttime. So we're just gonna go and do the ode 3, 2, 1. It's not too dark out, guys, but it's a little dark. And there you go. That's the RGB setup of the headlight. And then if we go around back here, we're gonna see the tail lights too, which is, you know, pretty freaking badass, to be honest. I have this Lotus app right here that I can change and make it do all kinds of different freaking things. Look at that. It's like just crazy what you can do. Look at this, guys. Tell me this isn't the coolest thing. You can slow it down. You can brighten it down, brighten it up. Like different colors. There's all kinds of different programs up here and stuff that you can run. Look at this. Look at that. It's just so fucking cool. I am so thoroughly impressed with this setup. Look at that. Like, you can't get any better than that, guys. You can't get any better than that. So the other thing I want to show you is we're actually going to turn, this is the RGB light, we're going to turn that light off. We're going to turn our four-ways on. Yes, I have blinkers, which is pretty awesome. But there's the four-ways. Nice amber color, which I'm very, very happy about. Also in the front as well. Let's turn those off. And now let's get the headlight. So it's a full LED headlight. It is brighter than hell. And it also has, hopefully you guys can see this, I don't know if you can, has a high beam too. There we go. So it has a high beam. Let's turn that off. And then we obviously have sequential turn signals too. These guys make one hell of a product. I'm not even gonna lie. Put on our right turn signal. There's our right turn signal. Look at that. Tell me that is not the coolest thing you guys have ever seen. Like, it's just amazing. Look at that. The high beam reaches out pretty good. It's just an all-around very, very nice setup. But there you go, guys. We'll put the RGBs back on here. There we go. Put the RGBs back on for you guys. It goes actually, if you don't have the app, if it's not programmed to anything and you just start it up, it goes through like a demo mode almost. You can see it, different changes and the different things that it does and all that stuff. So it's pretty neat there. And then once you break the app out, you know, hopefully I'm still connected. It's a Lotus app too, just so you guys know. This is Lotus lamp app. So I should, yeah, I'm not, see it says I'm not connected. But once I am connected, then I can do whatever I gotta do. Oh, there, now I'm connected. There we go. It takes a little bit to connect, but it's still not bad. Let's get a nice little thumbnail here. Look at that. Tell me that is not the coolest freaking thing. Look at this. It's just so cool, like, and it's the simple things, guys. It's really the simple things that makes it kind of cool, to be honest. But there you go, guys. The Nokins headlight kit for a club car president. If you're interested, go check out the link in the description below. Amazing product. I got it off Amazon. They have it on their website. I'll put their website link in Amazon or whatever down there. One of the links will be down there for you guys to look for this headlight kit. They make it for Yamaha, EasyGo, RXVs, the newer EasyGos, obviously club car presidents, Tempos, a whole mess of different ones. They make a whole bunch of different light setups, and they have different ones as well. They have this guy, which is the RGB setup, and then they have just one that just lights up solid colors, and that's it. You'll see what I'm talking about on their website when you go check out that link in the description below, guys. So give them a shout. Like, I'm stupid happy about this product. Stupid happy. Oh, I forgot to add on a side note, yes, it has reverse lamps as well. And brake lights. So let me just show you that real quick. It also has brake lights. Yeah, this is a good product, guys. Go check them out. Hopefully you guys can see me. I don't know if you can. It's getting darker out here, and I need to edit this video so you guys can obviously see it. But I appreciate all the support from the views of the past couple videos that I've done. Please continue to subscribe and hit that notification bell, guys, and support the channel. Like, I get to do cool stuff like this because you guys out there are watching the videos and supporting the channel. So that makes me stupid happy, and I really appreciate that. So other than that, guys, I hope you all have a great freaking day, evening, afternoon, morning, whatever it may be when you're seeing this. And of course, as always, deuces, guys.